Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on automatic dubbing for your YouTube videos. Start from your YouTube homepage. Click on your profile photo in the top right corner. From the menu, select YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Upload Defaults. Then, click on the Advanced Settings tab at the top. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you will see an option called Automatic Dubbing. To turn it on, click on Enable Automatic Dubbing. When you enable it, two boxes should now be checked. The first one is Allow Automatic Dubbing. This means YouTube will automatically create dubbed versions of your videos in multiple languages. The second one is Manually Review Dubs Before Publishing. This option applies only to experimental languages. For most main languages, dubbing will happen automatically without any review needed. After you have confirmed that both boxes are checked, click on Save. Your settings are now updated. From now on, every new video you upload will be automatically dubbed into other languages. And that is all you need to do to enable automatic dubbing on YouTube. Thanks for watching.